The Union Budget 2026 has drawn strong criticism in Karnataka, with Chief Minister Siddaramaiah expressing disappointment. He said, the budget fails to meet Karnataka's need and expectations, even though the state is a major contributor to the national economy. According to Chief Minister, the budget offers nothing substantial for Karnataka. He pointed out that there are no major allocations or special projects for the state. Siddaramaiah raised serious concern over the absence of Thungabhadra and Upper Krishna project in the budget. He said there is not even a single mention of these long-pending demands. The Upper Krishna project is important for irrigation and drinking water in several drought-prone areas. Despite repeated requests by the state government for central financial support, the project has been ignored. The Chief Minister questioned the centre's priority, stating that Karnataka contributes heavily through taxes and revenue but does not receive a fair return. He said the state demanded a minimum 50% share under tax devolution but is getting much less, which he called an injustice. Referring to Finance Commission recommendation, Siddaramaiah said Karnataka's share in central fund has been reduced over the years, affecting development and welfare programs. He said the centre must follow these recommendations properly. He also compared Karnataka's allocation with other states and pointed out that even smaller states receive the higher share. While saying he does not oppose funds to any other state, he questioned why Karnataka is denied its rightful share, impacting growth and development. Siddaramaiah criticized the budget for not adequately addressing irrigation, infrastructure, and regional development. He said backward regions of Karnataka continue to suffer due to lack of central support. Although the state government is managing with its own resource, long-term development needs cooperation from the centre. Calling the Union Budget 2026 an injustice, the Chief Minister said it shows a lack of concern for Karnataka's real need and urged the Union government to treat the state fairly.